Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to upload short video on YouTube. It's very easy and simple. You can just see the step by step. You can firstly open the YouTube app on the Android device or iOS. So from here you can see the plus button or the below bottom. So you will just click to the plus button, and through the plus button you can just create a short YouTube video. So I will just record it for 15 seconds. It's a just simple video for example to teach you how to upload. So I will just hold it and record it for 15 seconds. So here it's done. So here you can add a text, and you can add a filter or trim. On the right side you will see the options. So I will just click to the next, and I will add details. You can add caption your short. So I will just type for sweet home, and after I will just hashtag for some popular keywords to make my video get views. So I will just hashtag for YouTube shorts. So make sure you can, it's an easy way to upload a YouTube short. You can see video watch till the end, and when it's all complete you can also add a location. So I will just upload it. You will see the uploading your video. So when it's 100, when it's complete, so it will be published to the YouTube. So processing, so video to your is uploaded. So you can see, refresh your YouTube app, and here you can see it's very easy and simple. You can just upload YouTube short. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.